Hi, I'm Cynthia Nessel at Create with Cynthia, a DIY hobby and craft blog where I share DIYs and step-by-step tutorials for the vintage enthusiasts. I love vintage. I love old doorknobs, spindle legs, irons, old jewelry. Anything that looks chippy is the way I like to paint. And I love having my boys. I love it when they're happy and they're playing together. Hurry up! And I love my dogs, my two little puppies. This channel is an expression of who I am and what I love to do. My hope is that you'll be inspired to create with me. So grab a cup of coffee, take a seat, and let's get started. Hi there, it's Cynthia Nessel at Create with Cynthia, and today I'm here to show you what I'm doing with my chalk art subscription that came in the mail for the month of December. So last week I was at my mailbox and I received this envelope in the mail. It says Merry Christmas from a Maker Studio, and when I opened it up I got a little white bag. I got stencils that are called Grace, Gather, and Grateful. This is the packaging, and the stencils look like Grateful and Gather and Grace. And then I got a Rescue and Restore paint in Sunday Nap, which is one of my favorite colors. It's a really pretty light gray color. And I got I Reckon chalk art, and it came with a big scraper, as well as a little card that tells me exactly what I can do with it. So, remember last month,
you got me!
And I got Troy in the chalk art subscription. Remember last month he was here and we worked on the November chalk art subscription, which was a holiday stencil, 'Tis the Season. And we did a cute little 'Tis the Season sign with ornaments and such. So today what I'm going to be doing is showing you what you can do with the chalk art subscription. It's $28 a month. You sign up for 3 months. They mail out at about the middle of the month. And what you get in the mail is something like this every month. And so you're just building up your craft closet full of things so that you can make pretty things for your home. So we're all about crafting a beautiful life and enjoying the bragging rights. So I went over to the dollar store and picked up these chargers. They're charger plates. They were only $1 each, and I picked up some of them, and I decided that what I'm going to do is put the Gather sign right here on the charger. It'll look really pretty on my Christmas table. There's only going to be 3 of us, me and my 2 sons, Gather, Grateful, and Grace. So it'll be really fun because then at the end of Christmas dinner I can just erase it off and I'll have my blank charger again, because remember, the chalk art is erasable. So let's get started. I'm going to show you what you can do with dollar store chargers and your chalk art subscription. Okay, so here we go. So, chalk art subscription, dollar store chargers, that's all you need. So I'm going to take my Gather sign. These are adhesive mesh stencils. That means they're sticky on one side. They're mesh, kind of like a silk screen. So any type of paint or chalk art, even the size that we carry, that a Maker Studio carries, that we use with the gilding leaf. You can also use those with the adhesive stencils. So I take a big lollop of chalk art, and I've got my stencil on here really well. And all I need to do is just scrape it on. One thing I really like about this subscription for this month, the stencil that they're giving us, is, you know, these words are so traditional and they can be used throughout the whole year. So I'm going to be having my holiday Christmas table will be decorated with these words, but you could also use them throughout the year during Valentine's Day or Mother's Day or Father's Day or any of those special days. So I've added my chalk art. I'm pulling away the stencil, and it comes out looking really pretty. So now what I'm going to do is plop my stencil into a bucket of water that I have right here. That will allow the chalk art to kind of start to wash off the stencil. It'll make it a lot easier for me to clean it. And then what I also wanted to add was one of these little swirlies. I call them a swirly, to make the See, you can cut these stencils. They're super easy to cut. If you haven't watched my videos before, I do go over it in detail. So I just added a little bit of cuteness to that. Okay, so I'm really happy with how that looks. So they only need 3 chargers. So the boys are going to be with me on Christmas Eve. And then they're going to, all day Christmas Eve, they're going to be with me. We're going to be here at the Woodland Paradise with all of our Christmas trees and having a nice dinner. And then on Christmas morning around 10:30, they will go over to their dad's house. So that is the plan. And I'm really excited about it. So I'm going to make us a nice Christmas Eve dinner, probably have some ham or turkey, and then we'll have breakfast in the morning, open presents, see what Santa brought. Okay, if you have a hard time getting it off like I'm having, my suggestion would be is to take the back of your scraper, like that, and just grab it that way. There you go, that's the gather. Okay, so this is just one fun idea of what you can do with the chalk art subscription. This little card came in the mail, and this card came with the chalk art subscription for December. It is probably too late to order the December subscription, but you can order the subscription now, and then you'll get the January packet. And what's neat is that Amy Howard is the creator of a Maker Studio, and she has decided to put on live workshops. So this particular chalk art subscription, which comes with this really pretty bag here, she's doing a live workshop on December 19th at 2 o'clock Central Time, and I have a feeling she's going to teach us what we can do with the little bag. So if I wanted, I could have used the Rescue and Restore paint as well. This is silver. This is also like gold, silvery gray color, so it wouldn't really show up. But if I were to use the Rescue and Restore paint on a charger with the adhesive stencil, it would have worked just fine. The only difference is you wouldn't be able to wash it off. So Gather, Grateful, and Grace. And they just give us a chance to think about the holiday season and what we're thankful for. And I'm thankful for you. So thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.